The Savvy shoes by Alegria feature a man-made upper with a round toe silhouette and a wide open collar with stretch panels on each side of the tongue for easy slip-on, and two elastic straps that go over the vamp to give you a snug and comfortable fit. They have some perforations on the vamp for breathability, and the slip-on style makes them highly functional for your active workday. Inside, there is a breathable man-made lining with cushioning around the collar to give your ankle support, and a removable footbed that is lightly padded and has added arch support to keep you comfortable all day. The lightweight midsole has a sturdy and durable build and shock-absorbing qualities to help fight foot fatigue. It's all on top of a durable and slip-resistant man-made outsole that is textured for traction. Wear these with any casual attire.